Hey guys, Arjun here, back with a new video. So guys, as you know, my computer was built about a month ago. It's been working perfectly. I've been playing games, but my GPU and the PC fans have not come till now. So that's why I wasn't being able to record because the temperatures would go too high. My game would start to lag and stuff like that. So guys, Amazon has started delivering packages again, and I've ordered my PC fans, which are over here, and my GPU, which is going to be coming in about 2-3 days. I'm going to be doing an unboxing about that. Stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's get right into it. So guys, this is the Ant-Esports Superflow kit, 3-in-1, beautiful 120 RGB fans. I ordered them from Amazon about 2 days ago, and it's been working perfectly. Yeah, so getting right into it, we have three fans. Let's just so the video is going to have three parts. First of all, the unboxing. Second of all, is going to be putting it in the PC, which is going to be time lapse, and the third is going to be the final review, the RGB effects, etc. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first unboxing, the packaging was awesome, brilliant packaging by Ant-Esports. I'm going to be putting a review about that on Amazon. I think this would be the hub, the main fan hub, and of course the three fans looking beautiful, good packaging. Wow, the transparent fans look absolutely beautiful, good quality. At first glance you can feel the heaviness, and these look pretty big. I've never seen like a good PC fan before. I haven't ordered one before. These are good. So right now I have one fan in my PC, and I'm going to be installing three more, which are these. So yeah, so I'll have four fans, two intakes and two outtakes. So yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah guys, this is basically the fan. Good transparency. There's a back plate, of course. It's 120 millimeters. The fan hub, we're going to be looking at that right now. It's got good rubber grips over here. The screws, I think, should be either included or they're going to be in the case. Let's see about that. And yeah, so this was the box. So basically we've got a fan hub, which has two sides of double-sided tape behind. It has one power cable and one three fan header, which you're not necessarily required to put into the motherboard because you can straight power it up and it'll use the remote, which is also provided. Good in packaging. And then there are three screw packets which are also provided for sealing in the fans in our case. And yeah guys, let's get right into the time lapse. Hey guys, so we're finally to the third part. I'm sorry it took me a little bit of time. I had to install my graphics card. Video coming out of the unboxing as well as the review of that in a few hours. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the final review, as you can see, there are multiple RGB modes that you can put on. First of all, as we zoom in and go into nightscape mode, we see that we have multiple colors. The most good, like one of the best things about this was that the connectivity of the remote with the fan module or hub is awesome. The color syncing is awesome. So yeah, let's get right into it. So basically, as you can see, there are multiple color modes on the remote. You can use all of these colors just for solid colors over here. You can reduce brightness, increase it, and then let's move on to the other modes. So as you can see, we can go cycle through all the different solid colors that are provided with the fan. Now, as we move into the different modes, we first come into the RGB mode. We can increase and decrease speed. As you can see, I'm increasing the speed. We're at maximum speed right now, and we can decrease the speed as well to meet our needs. As we move on, we can go into different RGB color modes. As you can see, there are several ones. So if you are thinking of buying this fan, do not think twice. Go for it. It's a 3-in-1 kit. And it's one of the most valuable products you'll find in the case fan market right now. So as we zoom in once again, we can see the different types of modes which come here. We go back into nightscape mode as well. Then we have different color modes, as you can see. White. We're going into different. Then there are several modes just for the single color white. Same for multiple colors. Then we have different modes. As you can see right now, we have the Tinkerbell mode, which is rotating the colors. Then there are several modes where, like this, which is more slower, and it like lights up the inner side of the fan. So as you can see, several modes. I think there are about 50 modes to choose from, as provided in the manual. As you can see, we are moving into more, like I said, solid color moves for different modes. As we move in. So yeah, guys. So basically, guys, final review. I basically think this is one of the most valuable products on the market right now. I really think you should go for it. If you're looking for low price fans, and the good thing about this fan, it has a 1-year warranty, I think, when I got it from Amazon. So awesome pricing, good value. You get good quality products, nice and stable, sturdy. A good branded company, Antec, and yeah, guys. So I'll be seeing you in a few hours in the graphics card video. I'll see you in the next one. Video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.